So you tried to verify your age on Roblox, but it didn't go in the right way and it says your age info does not match. So what is the solution? Let's explore that in just 2 minutes. So what you have to do is you have to simply open the Roblox application. I am on my mobile, but you can do it on the laptop too in the same way. You can also use Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser for this purpose. And go to the More button and scroll through this page until you find Settings. So you have to hop into Settings and go to Account Info. And when this page appears up, you have to scroll through this page, and here you can see that my age group is verified. But if it is not verified in your case, there is an option under this which is use an ID to verify your birthday. So you have to tap on this continue button and follow the on-screen instructions to verify your age by using your ID card. But if you don't have a valid ID card, or you are under 18, or even if you have an ID card but Roblox is unable to verify it, in all the cases, you have to go back and open up your Instagram application. Why Instagram? You'll just get to know in a minute. And after that, you have to go to the search button and search here, how to official 0. And if you have written the right spellings, then this Instagram account will appear up. You have to tap on it and tap on the message button available and write here, hi, I want a verified Roblox account, and simply send this message. Now this is my Instagram account and I will provide you a verified Roblox account just at the cost of $10 to $12. If you are unable to verify your age in all the cases, then this is the last paid solution, and do not contact me if you are not ready to pay. But if you do contact, then it is guaranteed that you'll get a verified account which you can use without any restriction. So that's how you overcome this issue which says your age info does not match on Roblox. Thank you so much.